politically, socially, culturally, scientifically, in the same way, knowledge-wise, and militarily. Then he brought his people in, allowed them to come into armed conflicts. So Khaybar was conquered by Islam. When he conquered Khaybar, and so whole Arabian Peninsula was under the flag of Islam, then he came back in 8th year of Hijrah to Makkah, and Meccan people surrendered without taking up the arms before Islam. So my advice to the youth of today and the Muslim groups of today is according to Seerah of Holy Prophet ﷺ. This is a time we are not in a position to enter into armed conflict. So we should act upon the Sunnah of Mecca and first 6 years of Medina, Holy Prophet Sunnah. So what we should do, we should strengthen ourselves spiritually, morally and ethically, number one. We should strengthen ourselves in education, in academics, in science and technology, and in defense. Then, following the Medinan Seerah, we should strengthen ourselves in our economy, in our economic resources, in the same way as the European Economic Community. The Europe started its journey from economic community, and now it has arrived to the state of European Union, and it may go to the destination of United States of Europe. So Europe started its journey step by step from strengthening of economy to coming to this unity. So following the Sunnah of the Medinan 6 years of Prophet Muhammad, third, we should strengthen ourselves in economic resources. We should eliminate the poverty in our countries. And then we should strengthen ourselves politically and diplomatically. This world is not going to remain forever the monopolar world. Although America advanced, but ultimately various other powers and poles are emerging. Europe has already become a very big pole of power, global power. Russia is reconsolidating itself. From Japan to China, the South Pacific ring is reconsolidating, is becoming a global pole of power. Muslim Ummah, 56 countries can become a block of power. So after strengthening ourselves spiritually and morally, strengthening ourselves educationally, scientifically and technologically, strengthening ourselves economically and materially, strengthening ourselves politically and diplomatically, we should create alliance either with Europe or with South Pacific Rim or with Russian bloc. After organizing our own unity within Muslim Ummah, then you will possess some position. After feeding all these steps, this is our jihad, to strengthen ourselves. If we are strong enough in defense, strong enough in economy, strong enough in political alliance, strong enough in our technology and science and knowledge, then there will be no need of becoming defensive, no need of just using small arms. Then your biggest enemy would not be in a position to see with wrong eyes. And you would be in a position. So we should leave the path of premature clashes and conflicts, and we should concentrate on our process of strengthening directly in the light of the Seerah of Holy Prophet and Sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Almighty Allah may bless on us His divine guidance, divine wisdom, which Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has conveyed and communicated to his ummah and mankind through Quran and his Seerah and Sunnah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
صل